Today we're making peanut brittle.
We're going to combine the syrup, the sugar, the water, and the butter in a heavy saucepan. Then we're going to cook over medium heat, stirring frequently until the sugar dissolves and the mixture comes to a boil. Stick around for the ingredients list and to see how it turns out. Then we're going to cook without stirring until temperature reaches 280 degrees Fahrenheit on a candy thermometer, or a small amount of mixture dropped into very cold water separates into threads, which are hard but not brittle. So anyway, I almost forgot our molasses. All right, we've got 1.5 cups of roasted, lightly salted peanuts. We've got 1 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of water. We've got 2 tablespoons of butter, a tablespoon of molasses, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 cup of light corn syrup. If you like this video, please hit subscribe. Once we've reached 280 degrees Fahrenheit, we're going to gradually stir in the peanuts and continue cooking, stirring frequently until the temperature reaches 300 degrees Fahrenheit, or a small amount of mixture dropped into very cold water separates into threads, which are hard and brittle. Then we will remove from heat, stir in the baking soda. The mixture will foam and become lighter in color. Immediately, we will pour the mixture onto a cookie sheet and then use a metal spatula to spread the mixture evenly to the edges. Then we're going to let it cool and break into pieces. In our next video, we're going to be making homemade fudge.
What's that?
Alright guys, success. Oh, that's so good. Alright, honey, you gotta try this with the peanuts.
Can I try it?
Mm-hmm.
Hold on.
It's so good.
Let me try it too. I want to try it, Daddy.
Why don't you come up here and try it?
Yeah, that's really good.
It's so good. Here, I'm gonna just break off a piece for you.
Man.
That's why my grandpa loved it. Oh, good. Yeah, I think the sea salt makes it really good.
Mm-hmm. It's really good. We have this a lot in the Philippines.
Peanut brittle?
Mm-hmm.